Hello there, it's Christian at Grantham's in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2023 Weinsberg CaraOne 400 LK with the double dinette option at the rear. So we'll start off by taking a look on the outside of the caravan. So you've got your Alco stabilizer and hitch, a 13-pin Carter caravan socket, a jockey wheel, and also the handbrake. Nice large gas locker there at the front, and there is a few extras that you get with these Weinsberg caravans, so we'll have a quick look inside. You've got a grey waste container. There's your brand new set of carpets. There is also an alloy wheel spare, space for 2 gas bottles, also your bulkhead regulator for your gas, and it also comes with some chocks. So single piece window there at the front, and we'll come round to the near side. So there's an access door just here that'll take you directly under the front seats from the outside of the caravan. And then there's an awning rail that goes the whole way round. So if you've got an awning, you can pop it onto this caravan. It's got some fridge vents here. There is also a rail that goes over the wheel arch, which is really handy to have. Nothing that you normally see on a UK-built caravan. Great for stopping those drafts into your awning. One-piece door and LED awning light up above. So coming round to the back of the caravan, there's never normally too much to say, but you've got a rear window there and your lights. Worth noting that there are heavy-duty corner steadies. So here is the access for the Dometic toilet cassette. There isn't a separate flush because there is an onboard water tank on all of the Weinsberg range. So it simply draws the water from the onboard tank to flush around the loo. Frosted window just here, so that's a good indicator that that's where the wet room is. Input for your electrics just there. And then the cap for your water is just here. And then another living space window mirroring the one on the near side. And that brings us back round to the front. So we're going to take a look on the inside of the caravan now. So at the front here, it's got the LU upholstery scheme. So it's the grey with the blue lining. Got the tabboards there all the way round, and all the windows are fitted with fly screens and blackout blinds. Plenty of storage there up above the seating area, and that seating area does set up into a double bed. It's got an electric water heater. It's got a gas heating system with a 12-volt blown air system as well, so it'll distribute the heat around the caravan. Really fantastic value for money and a brilliant construction. Plug socket up there, and there is another plug socket just down here. So the kitchen has got a 3 gas burner hob just there with a splashback, blackout blinds and fly screens again. But we've also had the kitchen extensions added onto all of our Weinsberg range, as you can see here, because you get a bit of worktop space, but we thought having a bit extra would be a really nice addition, and it doesn't cost that much to add on. And also we've had the oven fitted, which really seems to be quite important for our UK customer base. Fridge there, so that works on mains electric and gas, or one of either. You've got a gas heater there just opposite from that with a large wardrobe up above, and it's also worth noting that when that's set up into a double, there is a privacy curtain that goes the whole way across to the other side. LED awning light just here below the cabinetry in the kitchen, and there is another plug socket for the kitchen just there. So to the back of the caravan now, as this is the double dinette option, you've got a seating area, a separate seating area. Let's just get that focus back. Here we come in. There we go. There we go. Right, yeah, so you've got the seating area there at the back. That sets up into a single bed. And then there is a drop-down bunk up above. Nice memory foam mattress. And there the ladders up to the bunk as well. But that secures upwards. And I don't think most people would actually notice that that is a drop-down bunk when it's in its upward position. So we'll lastly have a look at the wet room. It's a really small caravan, this one, 5.93 metres in length. That's the shipping length of the caravan. So it's great for driveways and storage. Lightweight as well, giving it really good options for towing. 1,200 kilos full up. So wet room's integrated. So we've got the shower tray just there. You've got your Dometic toilet. That seat does swivel, and you've got an electric flush. That'll indicate to you when that toilet is full. Some storage space next to that. And then the tap for the sink is also used as your shower head. You've got a really handy rail here. We know what the weather's like in the UK. So rainy days, you've got some wet coats. You can hang it onto this rail and it will just hang over the shower tray. And then the shower curtain there will wrap the whole way around you. And that is the inside. So that was the 2023 Weinsberg CaraOne 400LK with the double dinette option. If you've got any questions at all, you can always get in touch. Give us a call on 01777 838 193. Alternatively, you can pop me an email. I'm Christian, and my email address is christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk. Or pop in. We're open 7 days a week, Monday to Saturday, 9 till 5, and then on Sunday, 10 till 4. But thank you very much for watching.